Welcome to Project Management MCQs on Quality Management Part 1, aligned with the PMBOK 7th edition. We will explore challenging questions to test your understanding of quality principles in real-world projects. Question 1. A team discovers defects late that could have been prevented during design. What is the best action the project manager should take to avoid this in future projects? The correct answer is B. Focus on defect prevention by improving design review processes. Quality management emphasizes prevention over inspection, addressing the root cause earlier in the design phase. Question 2. A control chart shows several points within control limits but reveals a continuous upward trend. What does this indicate? The correct answer is C. A non-random pattern indicating potential process instability. Even within limits, trends signal special cause variation, which requires attention. Question 3. During testing, the team identifies recurring defects caused by multiple small issues. Which quality tools should be used to identify the primary causes? The correct answer is B. Pareto chart. Pareto charts utilize the 80/20 rule to identify the vital few causes responsible for the majority of the defects. Question 4. A project manager wants to understand the relationship between temperature and machine performance. Which tool should be used? The correct answer is B. Scatter diagram. Scatter diagrams are used to show the correlation or relationship between two different variables. Question 5. The project team develops a process to continuously review quality metrics during execution. Which process does this represent? The correct answer is B. Manage quality. This process focuses on ensuring that the processes used are capable of producing high-quality deliverables. Question 6. A project manager identifies that defects are occurring due to poorly defined requirements. What is the best corrective approach? The correct answer is B. Conduct root cause analysis. This identifies the underlying causes of defects rather than just treating the symptoms. Question 7. During quality control, a team measures product dimensions against defined specifications. What activity is being performed? The correct answer is C. Inspection. Inspection is the activity of measuring deliverables against the established requirements and specifications. Question 8. A project manager wants to reduce variation in a manufacturing process. What approach should be taken? The correct answer is B. Improve process capability. Improving process capability directly reduces variation and improves consistency in the output. Question 9. A project team identifies that 70% of defects originate from a single process step. What should the project manager do first? The correct answer is C. Focus improvement efforts on that step. Targeting the major defect source using Pareto optimization provides maximum improvement. Question 10. A project manager notices that a production process produces outputs consistently within specification limits. What does this indicate? The correct answer is A. The process is in control and capable. Consistent output within limits means the process is both stable and meets specifications. Question 11. A quality audit reveals that team members are not following defined procedures. What should the project manager do? The correct answer is B. Provide training and reinforce process compliance. Quality audits identify process gaps, and training is essential to improve adherence. Question 12. A project team wants to identify potential failure points before development begins. What technique should be used? The correct answer is A. Failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA. FMEA proactively identifies possible failures and analyzes their impact for risk-based quality planning. Question 13. A project manager notices that the defect rate fluctuates randomly within control limits. What should be done? The correct answer is C. Continue monitoring the process. Random variation within control limits indicates common cause variation, which is expected and does not require immediate action. Question 14. A team wants to visualize the workflow steps where defects occur. Which tool is most appropriate? The correct answer is A. Flowchart. Flowcharts are effective in visualizing the process and identifying where defects or problems occur within the workflow. Question 15. The project manager implements a system to continuously improve processes based on feedback and data. What principle does this represent? The correct answer is B. Continuous improvement. This principle, often referred to as Kaizen, focuses on incremental process enhancement based on data and feedback. Question 16. During testing, a team notices increasing variation in results over time. What should the project manager do? The correct answer is B. Investigate potential special causes. Increasing variation suggests the presence of special causes that are affecting process stability. Question 17. A team uses a histogram to analyze defect distribution. What insight does this tool provide? The correct answer is C. Frequency distribution of data. Histograms visually display how frequently different values or outcomes occur within a dataset. Question 18. A project manager introduces standardized procedures to reduce defects. What quality principle is being applied? The correct answer is A. Prevention. Standardization is a preventative measure that reduces the likelihood of defects occurring in the first place. Question 19. A team is analyzing how long tasks take and wants to detect abnormal variations. Which tool should be used? The correct answer is A. Run chart. Run charts track performance over time, making them ideal for detecting trends and abnormal variations. Question 20. A project manager integrates quality planning into the project design phase. What is the main benefit? The correct answer is B. Reduced defect probability. Incorporating quality early reduces defects and the need for costly rework later on. Thank you for completing Quality Management Part 1. Join us for Part 2 to continue your journey. Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe.